done having a birthday.
Alright. Okay,
I don't blame you.
We can go home.
Just the opening.
Wait, do you need help opening
Yes.
it first? Let me help you.
No, we're not opening.
Okay, let's see. I think it's right there.
Make sure and save the paper.
Okay. You might be able to save the tape too. Oh, God. I ripped it. I'm so sorry.
I really don't think Chloe cares if you look at it.
There's a little. Oh, my God. It's 12.
Read it out loud.
The roses are red. Roses are red, violets are blue, poems suck bacon. Just thought you'd enjoy getting a little high on your birthday. Yay! Thank you. Mine. Come on.
I'm 11. I'm 11.
You're gonna spill the drink. Stop.
Excuse me.
You have anything else to say to your dad?
Yeah, me too.